Uncle Christian, what can you tell us today? Uncle Christian, what do you have to say? Uncle Christian, what can you tell us today? Uncle Christian, what do you have to say? Uncle Christian.
Oh, that's a funny story. Oh, hi, boys and girls. Uncle Christian here. I'm reading a very funny story. You know what it's called? It's called The Little Boy Who Snores. It's about this little boy, and his name is Frankie, and he lives in this big house with all his family, and everybody snores. Would you like to hear the story? But you know what? There's a song that comes before the story too. It's called Do You Snore? Would you like to hear the song? Okay, you listen to the song, and then you come back, and I'll tell you the story about Frankie, the little boy who snores.
Do you snore late at night? Do you snore when you turn out the light? Do you snore in your bed? Do you make strange noises from your head? Do you snore? Do you snore late at night? Do you snore when you turn out the light? Do you snore in your bed? Do you make strange noises from your head? Do you snore? Do you snore late at night? Do you snore when you turn out the light? Do you snore in your bed? Do you make strange noises from your head? Do you snore?
Wasn't that a nice song? That's a funny song. I'm going to tell you the story now. The little boy that snores. Well, there was this little boy named Frankie. And he got up one day and he went outside and he talked to his friend Tony. And he said, "Hey, Tony, you know what?" Tony said, "What?" He said, "Last night I couldn't sleep hardly at all because everybody in my family snored." Tony said, "Everybody?" Frankie said, "Yeah, I sleep in a bedroom with my brother and he snored, and down the hall my father snored in his bedroom with my mother and she snored loud too, and then further down the hall my sister, she snored in her bedroom, and guess what? Even further down the hall my granny, she snored too. And you know what else? Downstairs I can hear the dog snoring, and I can hear the cat snoring, and I can even hear the goldfish snoring." Tony says, "Wow, everybody snores, eh?" Frankie says, "Everybody." Tony says, "My goodness, you live in a very snoreful house." Tony says, "Do you snore?" Frankie says, "No, not me, Tony, I don't snore. Only the people in my house." So you know what happens? Later that night, when it's really, really dark and everybody's sleeping, guess what happens? Frankie's brother starts to snore, and Frankie wakes up. And he looks at his brother, and there's his brother snoring. So Frankie can't sleep anymore because his brother's so loud. So you know what he does? He opens his bedroom door, he closes it, and he walks down the hall, tiptoe, tip, 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 tip. And he opens his father and mother's door, and he goes, and he looks inside, and guess what? His father's snoring. But guess what else? His mother, who's sleeping in the same bed, she's snoring too. So guess what happens? Frankie closes the door, he goes down the hall, tip, 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 tip. He opens his sister's door, and guess what? His sister's snoring. So he closes the door, but guess what? He goes down the hall, tip, 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 tip. He opens his granny's door, but guess what? His granny's sound asleep, but you know what she's doing? She's snoring. She's going. Frankie, he almost laughs out loud because she's making such funny noises. So he closes her door, and you know what he does? He walks down the hall, tip, 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 tip. He goes down the stairs, plunk, 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 and he walks into the living room. Doot, 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 doot. And guess who's there? His dog, and his cat, and his goldfish. And he goes up to his dog, and his dog is sound asleep. But guess what he's doing? That's right. He's snoring. He's going. Frankie can't believe how loud his dog is snoring. Then guess what he does? He goes over to his cat because he doesn't want to wake up the dog. He goes tip, 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 tip. And guess what his cat's doing? That's right. He's snoring. He's going. Meow, 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 meow. Meow, 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 meow. Meow, 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 meow. Sound asleep. Frankie can't believe it. His dog snoring, his cat snoring. So you know what he does? He goes over to his goldfish, and he looks at his goldfish in the bowl, and guess what his goldfish is doing? That's right. He's snoring, and he's going like this. He's going. Gulp, 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 gulp. Gulp, 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 gulp. Gulp, 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 gulp. Frankie can't believe it. Everybody in his house is snoring. His brother's snoring. His father's snoring. His mother's snoring. His sister's snoring. His granny's snoring. His dog is snoring. His cat's snoring. And his goldfish is snoring. So Frankie says, well, I might as well just go up to bed. So he goes up the stairs. He goes along the hall. He goes in the bedroom, opens the door, closes the door, goes back into bed. And you know what? In 2 minutes, he's fast asleep. Sound asleep. But guess what? That's right. He's snoring. But you know what? He's snoring louder than anybody. He sounds like a big truck. He's going. He's snoring louder than his brother. He's snoring louder than his father. He's snoring louder than his mother. He's snoring louder than his sister. He's snoring louder than his granny. He's snoring louder than his dog. He's snoring louder than his cat. And he's snoring louder than his goldfish. So guess what happens? Everybody in the house wakes up. And they all come into his room. His brother's there. His father's there. His mother's there, his sister's there, his granny's there, his dog and cat are even there, and the goldfish comes up too. They all gather around his bed, and they listen to Frankie snoring, and they can't believe he's so loud. He's going, and everybody says, my goodness, how are we going to sleep? And you know what they do? They sing the song again. Remember the song, Do You Snore? Do you want to hear it again? Okay, you listen to it and then come back and see me.
Do you snore late at night? Do you snore when you turn out the light? Do you snore in your bed? Do you make strange noises from your head? Do you snore? Do you snore late at night? Do you snore when you turn out the light? Do you snore in your bed? Do you make strange noises from your head? Do you snore? Do you snore late at night? Do you snore when you turn out the light? Do you snore in your bed? Do you make strange noises from your head? Do you snore?
So, everybody goes back to sleep. But you know what happens? Early in the morning, Frankie wakes up and he goes across the street to meet his friend Tony. And he says, you know what, Tony? I could hardly sleep at all last night. Everybody in my house was snoring. And Tony said, but Frankie, do you snore? And Frankie said, not me, Tony. I don't snore. But you know what? Frankie snored louder than anybody. He snored louder than his brother. He snored louder than his father. He snored louder than his mother. He snored louder than his sister. He snored louder than his granny. He snored louder than his dog. He snored louder than his cat. And he snored louder than his goldfish. So you know what? I'm going to read you the end of the story now. It's called Do You Snore? When you fall asleep at night, does the whole room shake? Do you keep everybody in the house so very wide awake? When you're dreaming behind your door, do you make a big, loud, and funny snore? When you close your eyes and go to sleep, do you think that you don't even make a peep? Do you believe that you lie there as quiet as a rose? When really you're making strange noises from your nose. Have you ever heard someone snore and snore and snore? Till 3 a.m. or even 4? It sounds so funny and it sounds so loud. In no time at all they could draw a crowd. So maybe you snore and maybe you don't. Maybe you will or maybe you won't. But if you do, please be quiet. I don't want to see it cause a riot. Isn't that a funny story? I hope you watch it again. But you know what? I think I learned something. Did you learn anything? This story taught me that I shouldn't judge other people. Because Frankie, he said everybody else snored. He told Tony everybody else snored. But he said, I don't snore, Tony. So you know what? I think we should be very careful about what we say about other people. Well, I hope you learned something today. I know I did. I hope you liked my story. It's funny. I hope you listen to it again sometime. See you later. Thanks for coming by. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Uncle Christian, we heard what you had to say. Uncle Christian, we'll try to live that way. Uncle Christian, we heard what you had to say. Uncle Christian, we'll try to live that way. Uncle Christian.